Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make nice aloo de parathe Punjabi style. To make aloo de parathe, first thing you need to do is I usually get about like 4 aloos if you're making for only like two people, like 4 big aloos. Aloo is a potato, if you guys want to know what I'm saying. So we're gonna you can either boil them or you can microwave them. I just microwave them right now, and you can feel I peel them. Oh! My aloo fell out. Anyways, so here you go. This is my aloo right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a fork and we're gonna mash this up. Okay guys, so my camera didn't record most of the steps that I was showing you guys, so I'm gonna show you right now. So to make it quick and faster, I just mashed up the aloo or the potatoes, and then I added some taniya, which is cilantro. I added onions, which is piyaj, and I added hari mirch, which is green chilies. So I added all that together, as you can see, and then we are just going to mix it up and kind of mash it in. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So hopefully you guys can see it. It's gonna be like this. Everything is gonna be mixed in, and then you can add your ingredients in there. I'm adding the methi, which is a dried fenugreek. This is really popular in our Indian cooking, so I love to add a little bit of flavor. It has a really nice flavor. So you add that, some red chili powder, just not much because I already added the green chilies in there. You don't want it too spicy. And we're gonna take some black peppers and we're gonna add some black peppers. And then we're gonna add some salt, or what you call it, noon. So let's add this. I just like to eyeball it. I'm used to it. I already know how many people I'm feeding, and I already know how much salt they like, so I think this is good. Just going to, mix everything up and we'll be ready to go. It's simple, very easy. I don't know if I'm really good at explaining the steps, but I think you guys get the idea. I need some more of the red chilies because nothing even came out. When you're shooting, it's kind of hard. See, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. And I made a huge mess, which I'm not going to show you guys because you're going to think I'm messy. And I already told you, I'm messy right now. So we have our, filling ready for the aloo de parathe. And you just want to taste it a little bit just to make sure it's, good flavoring, because whoever you're going to feed, you want to make sure they like it. So I'm just going to take a little bit and taste it. Good. Spicy. Should be spicy because I added like 3 different types of peppers in there. So, whew, there's the heat. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make these now. I'm excited. I have my setup done, just like I did last time in my previous video when I was showing you guys how to make roti. I had my atta, which is flour, I had my kneaded dough, and then I had my basket, and then the only step that changed is that I have my filling, the aloo filling that we're gonna use to make parathe. So what we're gonna do, what I did is I take a spoon, I take the atta, and then this is the amount that I need, and then I kind of slap it on my hands, kind of, make sure it gets into the right consistency, turn it into a little ball, like this, like a laddu ball. Dip it into our flour, and we're going to flatten this ball out. So once it's flattened out, it's going to look like this. And then we're going to take our filling and we're going to fill it up. That's the only difference, because earlier last video when I showed you guys how to make roti, you just kind of flatten the ball out and start, pressing it down with your rolling pin. But this one, you're gonna turn it into an even bigger ball. like this. But then we're also gonna flatten it out because we're gonna do the same step we did in my previous video. We are going to roll it, press it down, and we are going to dip it in our flour to kind of have it ready. And now we're gonna take our handy dandy baler or rolling pin, and we are going to roll it. Yeah, here you go. You have your paratha, and look at this, very nicely rolled, and we just put it on the tawa, and you're ready to go. So we have our paratha, it's ready to go. Ooh, I burned myself. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna be on a medium heat, and we are gonna be very gentle. Make sure you have your spatula, and we are going to flip it. Kind of let it cook because you know we added the filling in there. Then here you're gonna take some butter, any type of butter you like, and butter it. If you don't want your house to get all smoky, make sure you turn on the fan, you know, but I'm not turning it on right now because it's gonna make a lot of noise, so I'll probably do it once I show you first step. So here you go, you're gonna butter up the paratha. Make sure comes out loose. Here you go, like this. Paratha is all buttery, and that's when the sizzle happens. And it's gonna look like this. Kind of play with it, and there you go. You have your beautiful paratha. So I made quite a few, as you can see. Now we're about to eat these with some butter and have some fresh jaw. Anyways guys, I'm all done. I'm about to go to work, and I will catch you guys later. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh my god, my lipstick.